Don't edit it to social media, man. Put it as I said it. Don't turn my words, so don't edit what I said. Put it as I said. We want peace. Allow Christians alone. As we allow Muslims, also allow what? Christians. If you want to make this, I've told you before, they want to turn Nigeria to Islamic nation. Some people think I'm joking. It's coming small, small. But it can never be. It can never be. Can't be that person who thinks that. Nigeria will never be an Islamic nation. Otherwise, some of us will leave. Are you telling me from the south side will be Muslims? If you want it, then carry your part, which is Muslim, and go. We go. But if you want peace, as one Nigeria, practice your religion, practice our Christianity. Glory to God. Don't edit my statement. Since men are going to want to talk, me I go talk. And you know why they are not talking? Tribalism. What did I say? I don't have to be painted. It's tribalism. When Jonathan did, I think they were rioting. Who they riot now? This regime and Jonathan, which one? Even a madman knows that Jonathan better practice one. True?
Good evening, everyone. This is Sunday, July 26, 2026. The pastor of Salvation Ministry in Port Harcourt, right? Pastor Ibiyeomie. He is in a hot seat. I just came out online and I saw a lot of people dragging him because of the preaching he passed on to Nigerians today. A lot of people are already dragging him. I see even some pastors, I saw them on social media now. They are writing about what Ibiyeomie said. I said, people need to know what this man said. And people need to judge him right, not wrong. So I took time to go to his verified Facebook page because I just want to know what he posted, what he said, so that it won't be as if other people have addicted what he said. So I took time, I listened to what he said. He was addressing the nation. This is State of the Nation address during the church service. And he started talking about the hardship in Nigeria, talking about what is not working in Nigeria, what is failing in Nigeria. So after that, he started talking about the issue of Islamization. He said he warned Nigerians. He told them before that the plan of all these terrorists and their supporters is to take over Nigeria, turn Nigeria into an Islamic state, and they are doing it little by little. And he warned that Islamization cannot happen in southern Nigeria, that if not, that Nigeria will be divided instead of Nigeria to be conquered, and people in the southern part of the country will just turn to radical Islam. So after he made the statements, he also referred to Goodluck Jonathan, and I will leave the video for you to watch it. I do not see anything that is wrong that this man said. However, in this video, I just checked my archive. I saw Punch newspaper's video of 2023. The reason why it's important that you understand about this video I'm about to talk about with what Ibiyeomie is saying is because they go side by side. In this video you are going to watch after Ibiyeomie's own is a Punch newspaper's report where El-rufai, former Kaduna State Governor, who is now in detention, detained by the same Tinubu he was fighting for. So El-rufai was saying something in Kaduna State, canvassing for Tinubu, telling them that, listen, Christians cannot become president in Nigeria any longer. I'm saying this because you are about to watch the video. You will still watch the video. Thank God that Punch newspaper translated the video because he was speaking in Hausa language or food. I don't know. It's Hausa language. So they now translated the video from Hausa to English. It was done by Punch newspaper. So El-rufai was saying that what gave Tinubu victory is a politics of religion in the year 2023. That a Christian cannot campaign and win an election in Nigeria. That he talked about Muslim ticket. He said it was a calculation. So it's not all about Christians. So Christians are nothing. And this will also take me to what so many imams have said in the past. That from now onward, and this statement was made in 2021, 2022. That was after 2019 election. Okay? So they said over their dead body that a Christian can no longer rule Nigeria. You know what that means? It means that these people have assumed that Nigeria is an Islamic state. Now, let's start from the video of Ibiyeomie.
Don't edit it to social media, man. Put it as I said it. Don't turn my words, so don't edit what I said. Put it as I said. We want peace. Allow Christians alone. As we allow Muslims, also allow what? Christians. Are you aware that they say you should not preach in buses? Are you aware? That's a stupid law. Say it's a stupid law. I will not be alive see Christ being humiliated. Nigeria has gotten so stupid. The so-called men were in assembly. I don't know where they kept their brains. Nigeria will not preach in buses. Are you aware? But you put loudspeaker outside. Nobody's talking. And Christians are keeping quiet. Hey, every Christian rise up. They attempt not to preach in buses. Tomorrow they attempt not to shine bees. I will never be alive to see Christianity be humiliated in Nigeria. Never. If they do it, quote me, some of us will leave. Because Nigeria, if you want peace, since we allowed the Muslims to put microphone, nobody shouted, Christians will preach. If you say Christians don't preach, then they go their way, we go our way. But I won't be alive as a preacher not to see this gospel being preached. I don't care the men in the affairs of preachers who are there. Most of them can't talk because they've taken money from the leaders. Go and ask your president if I've taken one dime from him so I can talk. You can't take money from a man and talk to him. Ask him if I've taken one naira from him. So listen, if they don't wake up and stop all those rubbish laws. South Africa is cleaning Nigerians. Nobody's talking. Nigeria is one of the poorest nations on earth. Nobody's talking. They are even saying we are not suffering when people are eating. This is the hardest time in Nigeria. Don't edit my word. The most difficult time is this time. People are hashing. All of them are keeping quiet. Jonathan was here. They were shouting. It has come. Everyone's quiet. Even preachers are quiet. All the preachers are quiet because we know the thing. I will talk. They talk during Jonathan. True? Can you compare Jonathan time and now? They are keeping quiet. I will never be a tribalistic preacher. Never. Most preachers can't talk because of sentiments. Listen, they should not promote such laws if they don't want chaos in Nigeria. Otherwise, some of us will rise up and take it by force. I will never be alive to see anybody. I'm not interested in politics, but not the gospel. You can't insult Jesus and I'll be alive to take it. I don't care preachers who are busy holy meetings. Tell them, stop that law. It's not of God. If Muslims can also raise their microphone, we are free to preach. There's freedom of religion or whatever you call. There is no point. Nobody has warning the Muslims. If you go to Victoria Street, their speaker is there. So why will did we talk? So you should not stop us from preaching. And all these your men you are talking who are there in speakers and nonsense, all that they are Christians who passing laws. They never pass law. Have you seen any law they pass about Nigerians that kill South Africa? They kill them every day. They've not got up to say, South Africa, stop this rubbish you're doing to Nigerians. Is this a problem? Terrorism has problem. Hunger has problem. Nigeria get problem. Are you aware in the 70s? Nigeria gave money to IMF and World Bank. Don't edit it to social media, man. Put it as I said it. Don't turn my words so. Don't edit what I said. Put it as I said. We want peace. Allow Christians alone. As we allow Muslims, also allow what? Christians. If you want to make this, I've told you before, they want to turn Nigeria to Islamic nation. Some people think I'm joking. It's coming small, but it can never be. It can never be. Can't be that person who thinks that. Nigeria will never be an Islamic nation. Otherwise, some of us will leave. Are you telling me from the south side will be Muslims? If you want it, then carry your part which is Muslim and go. We go. But if you want peace as one Nigeria, practice your religion, practice our Christianity. Glory to God. Don't edit my statement. Since men are going to want to talk, me I go talk. And you know why they are not talking? Tribalism. What did I say? I don't have to be painted. It's tribalism. When Jonathan did, I think they were rioting. Who they riot now? This regime and Jonathan, which one? Even a madman knows that Jonathan better practice one. True?
Glad you are still watching up to this point. Now, let's focus on what El-rufai said, okay? Let's focus on what El-rufai said because this video of El-rufai in 2023 is going to expose a lot of things to you, to understanding that there is a religious motivation move about everything that is going on in this country. Take a listen.
Now, an yi maganganu da yawa kan gwamnatin tarayya. Gaskiya ne abinda Professor Akintola ya faɗa, mu muka shawara, mu gwamnonin Arewa APC, muka ce mulki ya koma kudu. Domin alƙawarin da aka yi kenan, alƙawarin baki ne. Amma alƙawari ko na baki ko na rubuce Allah ya sani. da muka ga wasu suna kulle-kulle cewa mulki ya tsaya arewa, muka ce ba mu yadda ba, mu ba haka muke ba, mu musulmi ne, mu mutanen arewa ne, muna da al'adunmu, ba za mu yi alkawari ko cikin duhu ba ne mu dawo mu ce ba a yi ba, muka ce ba mu yadda ba. Mataki na farko kenan. Mataki na biyu, da aka yadda da haka ko kuma suka gaba sarki sai Allah suka bari, mu muka tsaya cikinmu muka tsaya muka ce to waye in muka zaɓe shi, na farko yana da ƙarfin ya ci zaɓe, na biyu za mu fara maganin siyasan addini da ƙabilanci a ƙasar nan. Muka yi shawara muka ce Asiwaju za mu yi. Lokacin da muka yi shawara za mu bi Asiwaju, ni ban shiri da shi, muna faɗa. Amma Professor Akintola ya zo da shugabanninsu daga Lagos, suka ce ga tunaninsu, suna so idan mulki ya dawo kudu, tunda mun tsaya mun ce mulki ya dawo kudu, sun ji daɗin haka. Su Yarabawa na Southwest suna da matsala. Musulminsu in ya fito zai nemi shugabanci sai a ce ba dama ya nema domin ba zai ci zaɓe ba. Ba zai ci zaɓe ba don dole sai Kirista daga Southwest ne zai iya fitowa ya nemi shugabancin Najeriya don a ɗauki musulmi daga Arewa ya zama Vice President. Suka ce tun Abiola ba a sake yi ba, suna son haka. Na ce to ku je ku kawo mana wanda za mu bi. Ya ce Asiwaju, na ce ba ma shiri da shi. Ya ce ku shirya don addinin musulunci. Na ce za mu shirya. To muka fito aka yi haka, Asiwaju ya samu tiket ɗin. Kuma da ya samu mun san ba yadda zai yi, babu yadda zai yi in ya samu tiket dole ya ɗauki musulmi mataimakinsa, in ba haka ba zai ci zaɓe ba. Kamar yadda na ce siyasa sai ka tsaya kayan lissafinka, ba wani maganan tunanin haka. To Allah subhanahu wata'ala ya ga zuciyarmu, kuma wallahi mu da muka tsaya muka yi haka, wallahi ba don kanmu muka yi ba. Ni dai na san ni da gwamnan Zamfara Bello Matawalle ba don muna son wani abu muka yi ba. Kila sauran suna son wani abu, amma wallahi ni da Bello Matawalle mun ce kawai a yi haka don a yi maganin wannan matsalan na addini. Sannan musulmin Southwest su ma mu ba su sense of belonging, su shugabancin nan. To Allah, duk da taron dangin da aka yi, duk da addini da aka yi amfani da shi, Allah ya ba Asiwaju nasara. Abinda muka samu muka yi a Kaduna yanzu an yi shi a ƙasa gaba ɗaya. Babu wani makaryaci da zai zo ya ce, zai fito ya ce shi zai yi siyasa na Kiristanci ya ci zaɓe. Peter Obi ya yi ga inda yake. An yi maganin wannan, dole suka yi shuru. Tun da Asiwaju ya ci zaɓe kan tsit. To da haka ne za a samu zaman lafiya a ƙasar nan. To shi ma ka gani aka sake aka ƙara sai komi sai ya. Wallahi abinda muka yi kenan. Kuma ni da wasu daga cikinmu mu a ganinmu mun gama aikin. Asiwaju ya ci zaɓe, mun gama aiki. Roƙon da muke muku shine a yi masa addu'a, ya samu mutane na kirki ya aiki da su.